And this is a Monarch. And it's called Desert Winds Tajin Corduroy. It looks like corduroy, but I know that's not it. And he's got a twin brother that looks nothing like him, and I didn't like him at all. So anyways, let's take a look at this guy, because he looks pretty good. Here's the box, and there is the yellow Monarch butterfly. We open it up, and he reminds me of a character from CSI Miami called Eric Delco. And we'll go ahead and take that out. And he's got a cap, and it looks like a tweed or linen vest, a cotton shirt, very casual, and I like this look. So here's what's in the accessory box: another pair of hands, the holding hands, a rope bracelet, some really nice, I don't want to call them flip-flops, but that's what they look like. They are. Another bracelet. This one's no, that's his watch, I'm sorry. Some cool sunglasses, and I already know that is his, he's got a scarf. So this is 481 of 625. Oops. And so not really a high production number. Anything 500 or less is considered low production. But I think they probably wanted to see how this doll. As far as I know, he and his brother are the only two homes that have come out. Well, no, that's not true. It's going to be the holograms. Yuck. Okay, now let's get him out. Okay, so an hour later, and it did come with a chain with like a symbol on it or something. It's around his neck. Let's see if I can show it to you. That was a bitch getting that on. The earrings, I gave up. You get the look that they're going for here. But this is the Callum Windsor face mold. And I want you to see these shoes. They did an outstanding job on these moccasins. There he is. Beautiful watch. The rope bracelet's fantastic. I'll show you the detail in the back. Look at that. That's nice. Very kind of, I don't know, bohemian looking. You could do all kinds of things with it. Right now we're going to give him a drink. He deserves one. So I think he looks great. I really do. Except for those earrings, that there's no need for the, you know, that plastic to be that hard, and it was very small. I put them back. Little loop to get in there. Anyways, they need to do something about that. That everybody's complained about fashion royalty jewelry at one time or another, no matter how good it looks. So anyways, this is him. What was his name? Wildwind.